Look at that takeoff. And brought a smile onto Shoaib Akhtar's face. Jack Callis not smiling there.
He might have snaffled that, he has. It was the short delivery, he was going down the leg side a little bit. Matthew Hayden is disappointed as he strides away from the centre of City Field.
This time like and subscribe the channel please, thanks.
Just a bit of glove there, Matty.
Oh, a lot of glove. Absolutely smashed it with the glove.
Matty wanted it there, he wanted it short. Just a bit late. Run for 4.
20 for 1 it is.
Dilker, and there's a lot of people who've gone the whole life wanting to witness that. Never got to see it in the flesh. And here they are. There's a wicket.
Shoaib Akhtar.
Back to the combat.
Akhtar has struck. That's a big wicket. They needed to break that partnership. The partner's gone really nicely. That was the answer. Pick up a wicket or two. Bit of extra pace, I think, from Shoaib.
Yeah, no extra pace there, and we saw a few in the first spell from Shoaib that really took off. That one to Callis, but that one there on to Sangakkara a little bit quicker and just helped it on its way and caught down there by Mahela Jayawardene. So they move on to 100.
This time like and subscribe the channel please, thanks.